The following is an important message.
Haven't
For
won.
the following counties in Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, Tuscola, Washtenaw, and Wayne.
That's a lot of
High
counties.
wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 p.m. Monday. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with occasional gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour expected.
What?
Where? All of southeast Michigan. When? From midnight tonight to 9 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Oh, so we have windows.
Yeah, but we're fine. I mean,
Yeah.
we don't, I mean, we got curtains, and there's no trees that are gonna land over here, they're like over there.
Yeah.
So, we're good.
Yeah.
I thought, this ain't Wednesday. I was thinking it was the